Hello everyone. How many of you like stingray? Stingray is called ikan pari in Bahasa Malaysia, and I think it's called Stingray in Tamil. I like stingray. I think it's a tasty fish to eat. But what I like most of all is the fact that there's hardly any cleaning to do. You just take off the skin at the top, you chop it up, you wash it and everything, and you get to cook seafood. You get your protein. Very simple and quick, the way I like it. So I've decided to move over to the other side of my kitchen where I have a gas stove. So let's just give this one a shot. So the ingredients here are basically fennel seeds, this one, jintan manis, this cinnamon sticks, kayu manis, some onions, about 2 medium-sized onions chopped, about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon and a half, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, some coconut milk, some daun pandan. Okay, daun pandan in English is called screw pine leaves. I've cut them a little bit to smaller sizes, and in Tamil I discovered it's called Annapurna leaves. Anyway, so this is the Asian twist in my Indian peretal. Okay, and this is some lemongrass, lemongrass is basically serai, some salt, some turmeric powder, some chili powder, and some I'm going to use some cumin powder. Also, since it's a stingray dish, these are about 3 slices of stingray that has been skinned, and you see that black skin has been taken out and cut into large chunks, marinated in turmeric. So we're adding some groundnut oil. It's heating up now, and then about a tablespoon of, maybe half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, and a stick of cinnamon seeds. A stick of cinnamon, just like that, or maybe you can even add another one. Yeah. I turned off the heat just now because it's getting a bit too hot. Okay. And now you can add. Just don't put the heat down to a lower flame. Onions. Now you can put in your lemongrass and your screw pine leaves or pandan leaves. I've read that they also call these leaves vanilla leaves in English. I don't know why, because it really doesn't smell like vanilla to me. Now you can add the ginger garlic. Add the tomatoes. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, one full teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more if you want it more spicy. In fact, I'd like to add some bird's eye chili in here, or in Malay we call it chili padi, but my husband won't be able to eat that then, so maybe I can add a bit more. Yeah, another half teaspoon, and a teaspoon, maybe a quarter of a spoon of cumin powder. That's it. And then you can add a little bit of water. then remember to cover the pan or the pot for a little while. Just cover it for a while. Increase your heat. Cover it for a while so that it gets nice and thick. Now you see that it's like a thick paste over here, and you can add some salt. About a teaspoon, and then you can put in your fish. Give it a stir. I find stingray a little fishy. It's a funny word, right? But the smell of the seafood, it's stronger in stingray as compared to other fish. I don't know, that's how I find it. So although I like stingray, but when I'm cooking it, sometimes the smell is a bit strong for me. I don't know how many of you feel that way. So after I've given it a good stir, like this, try not to break the fish, but this fish is a bit firm. The flesh is firm as compared to other fish. Okay, now I shall close it and let it cook for maybe about 5 minutes. Oh no, not 5, for about 3 minutes. So it's been cooking for about 4 minutes, not 3, and the fish is quite cooked. And I think I can't resist throwing this one in. This is bird's eye chili or chili padi. This is a type of chili that is used in Thai cooking, Malaysian cooking, and even and mainly Indonesian cooking. I mean, this is not something that my traditional Indian roots dictates because Indian cooking we don't really use bird's eye chili. It's more of the other, just normal green chilies, but not bird's eye chili, which is extra hot. So I put this one in, despite the fact that my husband can't really eat it because, well, I was tempted. Now I will cook a little bit more. If it was just for my husband and just for my daughter and me, that'd be about 3 to 4 bird's eye chili in there. So it's closed for a short while again. Now open. A little bit of coconut milk, just a little bit. After the coconut milk is added, stir it for about half a minute and it's basically done. So here is my Malaysian style stingray dish. Try it. So thank you everyone for joining me today while I cooked my Stingray Peretal Indian style with a Malaysian twist. Here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off. See you guys soon. Bye.